So Jitendra is now creating a Lightning Web
Page.
component, which with the name user application form. Okay.
Yes.
Now Jitendra,
Yeah,
go
sir.
to just I'll say my requirement. Based on that, you have to develop. Okay, you people should develop this one. I want four. Okay, I want 4 inputs. Okay,
Okay.
one is username.
Hmm.
Okay, the next one is user email.
User name,
Okay,
user email. Okay.
ha. Then I want date of birth. Okay, then I want let's say
Fine.
username, email, date, then the company. Okay,
Okay.
company. Now create 4 inputs. So as you know, where should we get this type of inputs data, input components? It is ready-made, right?
Yes,
Where
sir.
will I get it?
Lightning
SLDS.
components library.
Lightning, yeah,
Lightning component library.
Lightning component library. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Now for for a quick understanding, let me I mean, please write without seeing one component for email, not email, just a username. Don't see anywhere, just try it.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone can suggest, but it's a kind suggestion. Don't see it anywhere, because in the interview no one will ask you to open the component library and copy and paste. Okay, you have to write on your own. Okay, you're starting with a lightning card.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes. Okay.
Input. Input. Name. Username.
It's
On change.
Okay.
Call a paragraph message. Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Okay. Now take a input of email.
okay.
Lightning input.
Email. What should be the values of text?
Which one?
Same.
Value
Same
equals
value.
to anything. Email.
Anything.
Value equals to user email. Even if you don't specify value, that works. but to display the value on the screen whenever user enters, so we should be like having this one value attribute. Okay.
Okay.
It will be clear picture for us. Email text or user email, you can write like that. Don't use the same variable name. If you use the same variable name, then everywhere you will display the same value on the screen.
Okay.
And value is okay. The text here, email text or email address or user email, like that. Okay. Try to start with small letters every time. Capital letters should start in only few scenarios, the class name. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
For email, we should write only single inverted commas. Kalyan?
It's not like that. You have to use double only.
No, okay.
On change. Change.
Okay.
Small h.
Okay. You're calling the same function,
But with a
but with a
starting with a H.
okay.
Capital H.
Don't do that way. Let's say handle change email, handle change username. So that will be a good way of writing, because for every trigger, I mean every event, we have a separate function in the backend. So that sounds good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. But date or date of birth, sir?
Yearly.
Of birth.
Date of
Date of birth or date?
date of birth. Date of birth, but the data the user needs to enter is date. So how you'll do that? You have to tell me now. This homework I have given on, I think 2 days back, to try with different types of input. Not even 2 days, on Friday.
Jitendra label spelling.
Oh, going to
Change DOB.
Okay. Okay, these three are enough for now. Okay.
okay, sir.
Now, okay, write a JavaScript program. Okay, username. Okay, username should be above 3 letters or above 4 letters. Let's say above 4 letters, above 3 letters. Okay, and email address should be containing the string. I mean, let's say should be in the
At the
correct
rate,
at the
at the
rate
rate
gmail.com should be there at the end. So only Gmail accounts will be accessible. Okay. Now,
Okay.
date of birth should be above, or let's say be 2000 below only. I mean, the users who are above 2000 date of birth should not be entering this one.
Okay, sir.
How many validations now?
Three
Three.
values.
One
Validations.
validation is for username.
Username.
The other one should be email address should contain @gmail.com string. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah. First you write username, then we'll see for the rest.
Okay, sir. Text. Equal to
No. Email.
and
Date.
date.
Use small letters. Whatever you have used here.
That's some of them.
Okay. Okay.
In variable.
See, just a 1 minute. You are writing the label names here. What should be written here?
Oh,
Manoj?
sorry. Text.
Values.
Yeah.
Values. Text. Email. Sorry.
Correct.
Value
Date of
text.
birth, D capital in value.
Okay,
DOB.
okay. I got it.
Now, see here. Value text, email address, date of birth. This-
Value change.
Hmm.
The username, email,
Username.
those are buttons, right? Username, email, date.
Those are like name given above that element.
Yeah,
Label.
Values.
like
Value lo unnadi variable.
Yes.
yeah. Address, email address,
Single.
DOB. Okay.
Handle change username.
Past event.
Event.
U capital.
Copy and paste it better. In the parameters, call the event.
Event.
Pass the event.
Go in HTML once.
This dot
This dot text.
equal to.
First declare
No.
username. First paina variable ఒక username. Third line. Text దగ్గర username text తీసి. Username. ఇది ఉండండి.
అది ఓకే. జితేందర్ ఓకే. జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ లో టెక్స్ట్ తీసేసి యూజర్ నేమ్ అని ఉంటాయి.
యూజర్ నేమ్ పైన అంతే.
Username. Okay. Can you go back to the HTML? What it is there in the value?
Text.
So you should give text only, no?
Yes.
So whatever it is in the value, that we need to use it here. Okay. If you want username text, you can take total.
This dot text equal to event dot target dot value. Now we should write condition. Yes.
In the brackets,
Open brackets.
open brackets.
Normal.
Yeah.
Normal brackets. This dot text
Is not text
greater than
greater than 4.
length 3.
Greater than equal to.
Len, we should use len, I think.
Dot length, text dot length.
Text dot len. I think only len.
Try to use spaces.
Flower brackets.
Flower bracket.
Open brackets.
String. Inverted commas.
Give that variable.
This dot text is a valid message. It's a valid text.
Correct one. Correct one. Give message variable.
You
Okay.
didn't initialize the variable in the top. I mean, you didn't define the property message
Yes,
in the
sir.
top.
Yes, sir. I will do it. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Message.
Use spaces. Use spaces. In HTML, it is okay not to use spaces, but here use spaces.
Username is valid.
Okay, it's okay. Else username is not valid.
None.
Message.
Okay. Relax,
Message.
relax, relax. Think again.
Message.
Okay. Now. Okay. Now don't go with the email. Just I want to go with the just this one only. Till now, whatever you have done, that let's see. Save it. So let us add that one. Your screen is, I think, big, or is it for me only?
So it is showing below username
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not valuable.
Okay. User is not valid. Okay. Okay. Good. Now enter date here. How you'll enter date? Is this the way of entering the date?
There should be a format, sir.
Which for there should be a format
You have
or
to choose the
date.
date.
Pick list, pick list.
You have to choose
okay.
the
Go to
date.
HTML. Go to HTML. That day we have seen one more attribute. Which attribute we have to use along with the input element, input component? To tell this is date, to tell this is email. What should I use? No one practiced, I think. Types of inputs. That day I have shown you in the Lightning component library. Open it. Now go to the library. This is very important, everyone. If you don't know how to take the user input, then how you will do the rest of the things in the program? Are you getting my point? If you don't know how to take the user input in the first place, then if you know validations, if you know event handling, everything will be waste if you don't know how to capture the input first. So please do practice. Type input. Okay, click on that. That day we have discussed this thing. Now click on that drop down. Just click on the email. Yeah, date input. Okay, okay. What we have to specify? See down. No, which attribute you are seeing extra here? Name as well as no. Akhil, which attribute we are using here to tell it's a date?
Type.
Type. So type attribute is mandatory.
Type okay here.
Okay. Type attribute is mandatory. How you'll use name, we'll see later. But type attribute is mandatory. Now go back. Mention type. Type equals to email. Again, type equals to date. Label can be anything. Label can be enter date, enter email, like this we can say. But type, it should be specific. These are fixed. Type equals to date.
Date.
Okay. Now same type equals to email. Okay, don't write email. Don't write email. Wait. Okay. Type equals to date. Okay. Now write the in the background. Now you have to write the handle email change.
We have given type for the date now, sir.
Yes. So
So
sorry.
what's it?
Handle change DOB.
Yeah.
You write a function for that.
Sir, we can also write type for currency.
Sorry.
Sir, can we write a type for currency also?
Type currency, I think we can't write. It's like type number we have to write.
Numbers.
Type number. Then in that there is something called as formatter. Okay. That
For,
we have to use. Okay.
sir, for,
Formatter we have to use and tell that this is a currency. Okay.
okay, sir. Sir, for decimal values?
For decimal values, same number. Number will be fine. Okay.
If we do any operation, we don't get decimal values.
No, we'll get it. We'll get it. In JavaScript, we'll get it. In the background, we'll get it. Have you tried?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see it after this example. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This dot dob.
Equal to
Event
Event dot
Okay.
call the event
yes, yes,
event in the parameter.
next.
Condition.
Sir, what should be the condition here?
2000
No.
year less than 2000.
This dot EOP. Less than or less
Greater
than
than.
2000? No, what is the condition, sir?
The entered a year should be greater than 2000.
Greater than 2000.
2000 January 1st, I can say.
Um, dot search equal to yeah, sir.
Okay, check it. Let's see.
Asking
of
is,
else no
Stop,
need
stop,
of
stop.
parenthesis.
where
24th line else.
24th line. Yeah, opened here.
Remove the parenthesis
You should
in
not.
else line.
You should not use parenthesis. You should use directly flower braces
24th
in the
line.
else.
Okay. I got it.
I think so. You did not call in HTML, Jitu.
Wait, 1 minute. Correct. Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, there. You have reversed it in conditions. If
condition.
yeah,
If date of birth greater than
2000.
2000.
why it is getting
Okay. Okay. So this is not the right way of comparing the date. Okay. Till here it's correct. No need to worry about that. But it's not the right way to compare the date. Okay. To compare the date, there is little different format. I'll let you know now. Okay. See, this class we are not only learning Salesforce. We have to learn coding. We have to learn few like checks, validations, how JavaScript works. So these all we need to learn. That's why with every example, with every concept, I say every concept, event concept, custom events, standard events, conditional statements, for loops, in every concept, we will take one or two examples this way to generalize. See, this date of birth, I no need to teach how to check the dates. But why I am teaching is to make you understand programming little good. Okay, I'll just let you know now. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just share the code. You just copy paste, then I'll explain you.
Okay.
One second. So let me paste the code in the chat here. Copy it. See, this way you need to take the data and compare it. No. Just keep that as it is. Copy the code which I have shared in the chat. Did you copy?
Yes, sir. I copied.
After 19th, in between 1920, you just paste it. Okay. Enter it there. Yeah. Birth date equals to date of DOB is there, right? You just write this dot DOB. Inside DOB, you have to write this dot DOB. Okay. This is fine. Now, year 2000, this dot DOB is there. Okay. Everything is fine. Now, just write here, if instead of this dot DOB, birth date, yeah, this dot DOB. No, just remove that one. Just write birth date. No, birth date
Good date.
is, is means birth date greater than or equal to year 2000.
Birth date greater than or equal to 2000.
Okay. I'll explain these two lines first. 20
Yeah,
and
okay.
21. Okay. 20 and 21 is whatever the date you are entering, right? In the user interface. I mean, in the UI, whatever the date you will enter now, that date will not come exactly in the correct format. Okay. For that, you have to take the help of this date constructor. We say date constructor. Okay. Using this date constructor, we'll create a correct format and save it in this constant. Okay. Then again, you'll take the date which you want to compare. This is the date you want to compare, right? 2001. So you have to pass it to which one? Again, the same constructor. So what this date constructor will do is, this date constructor will create a string, will take the string which I have passed and make it or transform it to the correct format. Okay, correct date format in the code, so that we can do certain analysis again in the backend. Clear? Hello?
నా స్మాల్ డౌట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఈవెంట్ కదన్నా.
Yeah.
సో టు స్పెసిఫిక్ ఐ మీన్ లైక్ ఇక్కడ 21st లైన్ లో వీఆర్ గివెన్ స్పెసిఫిక్ డేట్ ఇచ్చాం కదా.
Yeah.
సో యూజర్ ఇన్పుట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఐ మీన్ లైక్ అదొక మనం
User input is this one, these two lines.
అదే అన్న, బట్ వీఆర్ చూసింగ్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఈవెంట్ కదా. సో యూజర్ ఇన్పుట్ అక్కడ UI లో ఇస్తారు కదా.
అవును,
సో దాంతో కంపేర్ చేయడానికి రాదా?
దాంతోనే కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. ఇప్పుడు యూజర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చారు, యూజర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఎక్కడ క్యాప్చర్ చేసినా దిస్ డాట్ DOB లో క్యాప్చర్ చేసిన, బట్ అది కంపేర్ చేయడానికి ఇప్పుడు 5 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ A నువ్వు కంపేర్ చేయగలుగుతావా? లేదు. 5 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 10 కంపేర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎందుకు? రెండు సైడ్స్ కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ ఉండాలి మనకి.
ఓకే.
అయితే ఏదైతే డేట్ వస్తుందో ఇప్పుడు DOB వచ్చింది కదా ఈవెంట్ లకెలి మనకి, అది ఏదైతే ఉందో అది కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో రాదనమాట. అయితే దానికి ఫస్ట్ కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి, అంటే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. అయితే కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి ఈ లైన్ రాసిన నేను
21st లైన్
20 లైన్ 20 లైన్లు ఏం చేస్తున్నా, వచ్చిన డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ ఏదైతే రాంగ్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉందో ఆ రాంగ్ ఫార్మాట్ ని కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి, ఓకే, న్యూ డేట్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంది, కొత్త డేట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం కాదు. న్యూ అనేది ఒక కీవర్డ్, ఒక మెమొరీ క్రియేట్ చేయు అని చెప్పినట్టు, ఓకేనా? దాంట్లో సో ఈ డేట్ అనేది తీసుకొని ఈ డేట్ లోటి ఈ DOB కన్వర్ట్ చేసి దాన్ని ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్ లో సేవ్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు బర్త్ డేట్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రాస్తామా DOB ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్, అలా బయట రాస్తే కాన్స్ట్ లెట్ వేర్ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బయట రాస్తే క్లాస్ లో రాస్తే, ఐ మీన్ క్లాస్ లో, ఇది ఫంక్షన్ కదా, ఫంక్షన్ లో లోపల రాసినప్పుడు ఇలా రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది, ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసిన నేను, కాన్స్ట్ బర్త్ డేట్ అనేది కొత్త వేరియబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని ఆమె కొత్త కాన్స్టెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, దాంట్లో యూజర్ ఇచ్చిన డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ పెట్టిన, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే. సో దాన్ని దీంట్లో ఓకే అన్న.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసిన, నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ లో అదే డేట్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని నాకు కావాల్సిన డేట్ ఇట్లా ర్యాండమ్ గా ఇచ్చేసిన స్ట్రింగ్ లాగా, కానీ నాకు డేట్ ఫార్మాట్ కరెక్ట్ డేట్ ఫార్మాట్ రావాలి కదా. సో దాన్ని తీసుకుపోయి మళ్ళీ డేట్ లో ఇస్తే ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ ని డేట్ కి ఇస్తే డేట్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ కొంచెం ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ అనమాట. ఎట్లాంటి ఫార్మాట్ లో వచ్చినా ఈ కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం అక్కడ డేట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో చూపిస్తారా?
ఏది ఎక్కడ? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆ టైప్ లో, నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ సేమ్, మేబీ మంత్ ముందు ఉండొచ్చు అలా.
ఓకే.
మనం జస్ట్ నంబర్స్ కొడితే మనకి ఫార్మాట్ లో వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఎక్కడ నెంబర్స్ కొడితే?
ఐ మీన్ లైక్ UI లో
UI లో నెంబర్స్ కొట్టాం, చూపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడు, అదే కొడుతున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. UI లో ఇంకా మనం వెళ్ళలేదు, UI లో నెంబర్స్ కొట్టాం, చూపిస్తాను. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ కదా? ఇయర్ 2000 ఉంది కదా, ఇయర్ 2000 కంపేర్, బట్టి 2000 పెడితే మళ్ళీ రాదు. మళ్ళీ అది బర్త్ డేట్ ఏమో డేట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది, 2000 ఏమో నెంబర్ ఫార్మాట్, డేట్ నెంబర్ ఎలా కంపేర్ చేయాలని అడుగుతుంది. ఇయర్ 2000 ఉంది కదా, ఇది రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఉన్నావా? అది రాయ అక్కడ. అఖిల్ క్లియరా?
క్లియర్.
సో ఇయర్ 2000. సో అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంది, ఈ యొక్క 21st లైన్ ని 22nd లైన్ ని రెండు డేట్ ఫార్మాట్ కరెక్ట్ డేట్ ఫార్మాట్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు అవి రెండింటిని ఏది పెద్దదా అని కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాయి ఇప్పుడు, ఓకేనా? సేవ్ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు గో టు UI, రీలోడ్ ద UI. గో టు డేట్. ఎలా వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు? నెంబర్ వచ్చిందా? లేదు.
క్యాలెండర్ టైప్ వచ్చింది.
ఎందుకు వచ్చింది క్యాలెండర్ టైప్? ఏం చేసి వచ్చింది? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, టైప్ అనేది స్పెసిఫై చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇలా వచ్చింది, ఓకేనా?
లేకపోతే మనం జస్ట్ నంబర్స్ వస్తుండే.
ఓకే, క్లియర్? Now email కి మనం టైప్ ఇవ్వలేదు. I think okay, we haven't given type for the email. Okay, don't give it. Just write a program in the backend. Just write a, I mean, in the JavaScript handle. Yeah, don't validate whatever the email you enter na, that email you show it in the message again in the down. Okay,
I should not validate, sir.
you just take the event, I mean, write completely again. I mean, like a validation only, you do the steps.
Okay.
So same this dot email address again.
Email address. Email.
Okay, now just write this dot message equals to this dot email address.
Okay.
Means what I am doing, Akhil?
This
Yeah.
dot
Message equals to this dot email address.
direct, it's direct, no validation.
No validation. Whatever I get the input, that only I will show in the message.
Message.
Clear?
Yes,
Why
clear.
I am doing, I'll let you know. Okay. We haven't written. I mean, we haven't written
In a
type.
condition.
Okay. Type I haven't written it. So now go save it and go back. Reload.
Yeah, sir. I will.
Kalyan, we did not write the condition for this, right? We have
Yeah,
a
just
Gmail condition.
Yeah, we haven't written the condition.
Okay.
Just I have. Why it is showing? Some issue.
Yeah. That's what it is.
See, whatever you give it, it will take, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, give it some value. Give it some value. Now just click on date. Give it some value. Okay. Username. Okay. Give it some value. Okay. It is taking. Now just to go back and write type equals to email.
HTML.
In HTML.
Okay. Okay. You entered the same value, right? Now give it give another value. I mean, just give the value. Give the date now. Okay. Give username. One second. Actually, it should work. Just to give the another date. You haven't reloaded the page yet, right? Last time. See, Jitendra, are you there? Hello. Hello. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, you can hear.
Yes, Kalyan.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
In some conditions, we have to go to the
no.
active directory.
Just to recall, Akhil. Before we have written type, we haven't written type, right?
Yes.
Before. So whatever you give the input is taking. Isn't there?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
We use type.
we use type. So because of that, what happened?
It is telling invalid.
Why?
Invalid.
It is checking whether the given
Intake.
entered input is a email format or not. It is checking automatically. We haven't written. Did we write any validation? Avinash,
No.
bro, did we write any validation in the backend?
No, Kalyan.
But
Only we
we
write
just
type.
said that it's a you use the at the rate. Sorry, not at the rate. You use type equals
Email.
to email.
Email.
So
Yes.
Lightning web component, whatever Lightning input element is there, input component is there now. That component on the attribute type equals to email, it will check automatically the given format is in the correct email format or not. At the rate SFKC. If you write at the rate SFKC at the rate Gmail, it will take now.
Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah, sir. It is not showing error.
Yes. So this is the importance of type.
yeah, okay.
Avinash, you
Kal-
have some question?
Actually, Kalyan, like in this format, it will take as @test.com also it will take, right?
Our requirement was at the rate gmail.com. Just I'm trying to show you that it should be in the email
Okay.
format.
Okay, it should be in the email format. Okay, understand. Yeah, clear, Kalyan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, so this is about the events. Do practice inputs along with inputs today. Everyone. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Okay.
Okay, Kalyan. Kalyan, yesterday's class record
Recording.
session.
Yeah. I'll just post now. I'll just post
Okay.
in the video. I mean, I have the issue with my Wi-Fi.